Okay, so now we're going to use the zero product property with a GCF and a factor. So remember, these are still just factors. We're still just going to set them equal to 0. So I'm going to have 2x, which is technically a GCF, but it's still a factor. We're going to set that equal to 0, and then we're going to set 4x minus 7 equal to 0. Now, with 2x equals 0, we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and I get x equals 0. So this parabola touches the x-axis at 0 at the origin. And then let's see where else it touches. So plus 7 and plus 7, and we get 4x equals 7. We're going to divide by 4 on either side, and I get x equals 7 over 4, which would be like 1.75, the equivalent. So the parabola here touches at x equals 0 and at x equals 7 over 4, or x equals 1.75. Now it is your turn to try it.